Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed a reading, that is C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. So, we have completed the lesson and all the grammar, vocabulary, study skills, and writing part, isn't it? So, today we are moving to the new lesson. It is a poem from B reading. The name of the lesson is It's Change. So, we will see that poem. Before that, if you observe this image, what you see here, a girl who is means she is ready to go to school, isn't it? So she is talking to her mother, isn't it? So we will see what that girl is talking to her mother. Okay, Mum, I don't want to go to school today, cause I fear our world is in decay. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change, a quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it's change, the way to go. Geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying it's change, predicting its birth. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change, time for clones. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. So, what did you understand here? What that girl is talking to her mother? Yes, we will see. Means what she is saying, Mom, I don't want to go to school today. So what she is telling is she don't want to go to school that day, particular day, because I fear our world is in decay. Cause means because means she is explaining why she don't want to go to school. So cause I fear our world is in decay. Decay means decompose through the action of bacteria and fungi. Means normally if we preserve any food item and if it takes so many days, it will get fungus and it will get spoiled. Means we call it as decay. So that girl is telling that she don't want to go to school that day because she is afraid. Means I fear means she is afraid to go to school because that our world is decomposing. She is telling that our world is in decay, means it is getting worst or decomposed, means her opinion is the world is getting spoiled. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. So what she say that I feel my teachers are part of the plot. Plot means a secret plan made to do something wrong. So what she is saying is, as this world is getting decay, so she says that even their teachers, means her teachers are also the part of that decay. Means plot means I told you, no, a secret plan made to do something worse, something wrong. So she is saying that even my teachers are also part of that spoiling the world. I am the only one who sees through the rot. So she says that I am the only one, means she is the only one who sees through, means understand. See through means understand. The rot means the situation is getting worst. So what she says is she is afraid to go to school because as the world is getting spoiled, even her teachers are also part of that, and she is the only one who understand the worst situation. So what she is saying, see, scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. So you know who are scientists. Scientists are who do experiments in laboratories, isn't it? And who they research and who do research on different things. We call them as scientists. So she say that scientists are cloning. Cloning means producing an exact copy of an animal, means like imitation. You can say as duplicate or imitation. What they are doing the exact copy, means an imitation of an animal. And what she is saying it's change. So what they are doing, scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, and they are saying that it is a change, a quantum leap. Quantum leap means a sudden, great and important change. So what they are saying, they are imitating the, means they are exact copy, means they are producing the same, means they producing same like pigs and sheeps. And they are saying that it's a quantum change, means it is a sudden change. And she is also saying that biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it's changed the way to go. So what she is saying, biologists are making stem cells. Stem cells means a basic type of cell from which all other cells develop. So what they are doing, biologists are making one basic type of cell, and from that, and they are growing it, and they are saying that it's a change the way to go. And geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. So geologist means who study the earth. What they are saying, they are finding cracks on earth, means they are finding the cracks, means when any object falls, you can find a crack on that object, or it may get break. So like that they are finding some small cracks on the earth, and they are saying it's change, means it is predicting the birth. They are saying that it is predicting the birth. And archaeologists, what they are saying, they are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change time for clones. What they are saying, archaeologists, what are they doing, they are digging up fossil means the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into rock. So they are the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into rocks. So that is called fossils. So what these archaeologists are doing, they are digging the fossils and bones of animals or anything like which are extinct. Okay, so they are digging the fossils and bones, and they are saying it's time for clones means I told you already, means producing an exact copy. So they are saying it's time for clones. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern. Concern means worry. So what she is saying is scientists are making her, means they are causing her great worry, giving us kids too much to learn. So she is saying that scientists are causing great worry to the kids, giving so much to learn. And this lesson means this poem is written by Emma Gorey. So I think you have understood this story. Let's see. I will give you the brief overview of it. A little girl is afraid to go to school. She is worried that the teachers and scientists are all out to destroy this earth. They say cloning pigs and sheep is a big change. Biologists make stem cells grow. Geologists find cracks in rocks. Archaeologists discover bones of creatures who lived thousands of years ago. All these persons add to things we must learn. This is a big problem. So, what that girl is explaining to her mother is that the earth is getting spoiled, and her teachers are also part of that, and also scientists, biologists, geologists, and archaeologists are also part of that thing. And she says that scientists are causing them great worry, making them to means as they are discovering so many things, and the kids are and the kids are getting too much to learn. So this is the poem, and you have some hard words here. First one is change, second cause, 3 decay, 4 plot, 5 through, 6 rot, 7 scientists, 8 cloning, 9 quantum leap, 10 biologist, 11 stem cells, 12 geologist, 13 cracks, 14 predicting, 15 archaeologist, 16 digging, 17 fossils, 18 concern. And there are some meanings. Change means fluctuation. Plot means a secret plan made to do something. See through means understand. The rot means the situation is getting worse. Cloning means producing an exact copy of an animal. Quantum leap means a sudden, great and important change. Stem cell means a basic type of cell from which all other cells develop. Fossil means the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into rock. Concern means worry. So these are the meanings, and your home assignment is write hard words and meanings in your notebooks. Students, I have given you hard words and meanings separately. I want you to write them in your notebooks neatly without any spelling mistakes, and learn the spellings of the hard words and also learn the meanings. And we'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.